They're on South Union Street. We placed about 70, 75 slates throughout the roof, both sides of the dormers. Addressed the leak on this dormer, just at the top. You can see the repairs there. New ridge caps, 2 of them, galvalume. Either dormer, filled in the patch where the chimney was. Got a ridge piece over that. Set a permanent anchor up there. A lot of hook repairs. You see here, those are all us. Same variety slate, so it blends in nicely. The other repairs we did included some Lexo to fill some holes and some sheet metal bibs, like you see there. And a few spots just to save time and slate. It's not going to be a permanent fix. It'll last a long time still. See one there.